Do you know that there is a growing number of children who struggle with regulating their emotions? Presently, 1 out of every 5 children experiences difficulties in controlling their nerves and managing their emotional responses. Meet Splash and Smash. It is a virtual reality experience designed specifically to assist children in managing their emotions. This platform not only encourages creativity but also aids in the release of nervous. The effectiveness of VR in addressing emotional concerns has been substantiated through research. During the experience, children will be transported to a world with diverse content, offering numerous interactive opportunities. They can engage in activities like archery, shooting targets, creating artwork on virtual walls, demolishing objects, soaring through the skies, and even leaping into the unknown. This VR experience allows children to partake in a fantastical adventure and explore their own personalized world. It empowers them to continue until they feel content and fulfilled. It's time to get to know the minds behind the project. Meet Sean and Nadir, our developers, and unveil, the project manager. Shira, who is responsible for the creative, and Gaia is our marketing manager.
Thank you for heal the world and make it a better place.